A very good morning. Today we are going to start another chapter, environmental pollution. Pollution is the addition of harmful substances in air, water and land. These harmful substances are known as pollutants. There are four kinds of pollution: water, air, noise and soil. Water pollution is caused due to both natural and human made factors. An important natural polluting factor is storm. Storms usually cause mud, soil, and other harmful particles to dissolve in water. In this manner, water becomes unfit for consumption. So, water pollution is also caused by the human activities like chemical waste from factories, household waste, and sewage being dumped into ponds, rivers, and lakes, leakage from oil tankers, washing clothes, and bathing cattle in rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes. So, drinking polluted water causes diseases like jaundice, typhoid, and gastroenteritis. So, water pollution affects not only humans but plants and animals too. Plants and animals that live in or use polluted water become weak and die slowly. So, due to the presence of pollutant in water, plants are unable to prepare their food and their growth is affected. And animals consume this polluted water and become sick. Next is the noise pollution. No one can escape the noise. Loud noise is a major threat to the environment. In the past 20 years, noise in towns and cities have increased rapidly. Noise pollution is caused by noise from cars, aeroplanes and buses, loudspeakers, televisions and music systems, loud music, machines and factories. So noise pollution causes loss of hearing and in extreme cases deafness and loss of sleep. So sound is measured in decibels. The higher the decibels, the louder the sound. So any sound higher than 90 decibels causes harm to a hearing power. Next is soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused when soil waste are dumped on the land. This makes the soil infertile and is harmful to all living organisms living in the soil. It also affects the growth of plants. The main causes of soil pollution are continuous use of pesticides and fertilizers on a piece of land, industrial and household non-biodegradable waste being dumped on the land. Next is air pollution. When harmful gases and the particles mix in the air, it is called air pollution. Natural and human cause air pollution. Natural sources that cause air pollution are sandstorm, forest fires, eruptions of volcanoes, and pollen from flowers. So, however, most air pollution is caused by human activities like burning of fuels in factories and vehicles, burning of garbage, release of smoke and harmful gases into the atmosphere are a few activities that cause air pollution. So, air pollution results in a number of diseases like breathing problems and lungs damage. Thus, we understand that pollution is a danger looming large over the earth. So, remember, the earth is a wonderful gift, so we should not pollute it. Wake up what you can to save the earth. A small act such as reusing, recycling, being careful about not making loud noise, planting a sapling or throwing garbage into the garbage bin. So for this we have to join our hands. Thank you.